We will be making couscous today. I am filling a pot with half a liter of water to boil. After it reaches a boil, I am adding half a kilogram of couscous to the pot. I am stirring it a couple of times and putting the lid on to let it soften. The heat should be on medium heat at this point. I am stirring it every minute. If your pot is too small, then the water might boil over. In that case, you can remove the lid and let it simmer. The couscous has absorbed the water and softened. I turned the heat off and drained it. In the meantime, I am adding a tablespoon of olive oil to a saucepan. Let's also add a finely chopped onion and some salt to it. I will fry it a little. I am now adding half a tablespoon of butter to the pan. When the onion is translucent, I am adding another half of a tablespoon of butter to it. When the butter fully melts, I am adding the couscous to the pan. You can add the couscous bit by bit to make sure it mixes with the butter evenly. If you find it lacks salt, you can add some more at this stage. Now I am adding a few chopped stems of parsley and I am turning off the heat. You can add Parmesan cheese to it if you'd like. After you mix it thoroughly, it will be ready to serve. Enjoy!